Just like a skincare routine, it is important to pay attention to the wants and needs of your hair. Having a routine set in place will address the different problem areas and most importantly, give you healthy hair. Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to take you through my weekly hair care routine. But before that, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to get notified about our weekly video updates. So now that you have decided to watch my weekly hair care routine and all the things that you too need to add in yours, let me tell you that I generally divide my hair care routine in 3 different parts. Let me walk you through each of my routines. So let's first begin with my pre-wash session. The first step in my hair care routine is an oil massage. You know what I'm talking about, the good old chumpy. Doing a chumpy literally teleports me back to those days when my grandma used to make me sit in front of her for a tail malish session. And quite honestly, those chumpy sessions are a reason for the good health of my hair. Thank you Dadima, I owe you one. Precisely why I have tried to continue to give myself a quick 5 to 10 minute massage on a weekly basis. Reason being, it not only helps add moisture but also enhances blood circulation in the nerves beneath the scalp, thereby turning inactive hair follicles into active ones. This then of course helps stimulate hair growth. Use any lightweight non-sticky hair oil of your choice, warm it up a bit and then apply. I recommend warming up the oil because the heat will encourage blood flow to the hair follicles and open up cuticle scales. Once the cuticle scales open up, it makes way for nutrients from the oil to nourish the roots. Gently massage your scalp for a few minutes. Once the massage is done, it is a myth that tells us that we need to keep the oil overnight. All you need is 10 to 15 minutes for the oil to soak into the scalp. But as a rule, try and give yourself an oil massage twice. Itna to you can do for your hair now. So that was my pre-wash routine / step, whatever you want to call it. But now it's time to jump into the wash routine. Now before you get into the shower, selecting the right kind of shampoo and conditioner duo is extremely important. Baat bahut simple hai. For instance, currently I am facing a lot of hair breakage, so I am consciously selecting hair products that address this problem. But not just upar se. I wanted a shampoo and conditioner that tackles this problem at cellular level. Something that also has moisturizing portion and nourishing ingredients. Which is why I recently switched to this duo. It's the Dove Hair Therapy Breakage Repair Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner. This is the perfect combo that is especially crafted for weak and breakage-prone hair. While washing my hair, I only apply the shampoo on the scalp area and while rinsing it off, I use lukewarm water. As far as the conditioner goes, because it has Nutri-Lock serum infused in it, it is going to be extra helpful in keeping my hair soft, silky and healthy way past the hair washing session. Plus, the best part is that this range is sulfate-free, making it suitable even for the weakest set of hair. Alternatively, what I also like to do is swap my hair conditioner with a hair mask once a week. Because truth be told, our hair strands need an extra dose of nourishment considering the wear and tear that they go through. Having said that, what better product than a rejuvenating deep conditioning hair mask that almost feels like you're giving yourself a salon-style spa session at home. Introducing the Dove Healthy Ritual for Strengthening Hair Mask. Apply it on damp hair starting from the mid-length all the way till the tips. Do not neglect the tips as they are the driest part of your hair. Keep it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse it off. It contains oat milk which moisturizes the hair without weighing down hair strands. It also has nourishing properties that will help combat the appearance of frizz and smooth out split ends. In addition, it has honey which will help smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Once done, I wrap my hair in a microfiber towel so as to prevent any water loss. While squeezing out the excess water, always ensure to not rub your hair and instead gently squeeze the excess water out. And now it's time to move on to the post-wash routine. This part of my routine is just as important as the earlier 2 parts because what happens is that if you don't follow up with a solid post-wash routine, then pollution, harsh weather and frequent heat styling is going to undo the benefits of the earlier 2 parts of the hair care routine, resulting in damaged, breakage-prone and frizzy hair. This is exactly why I apply a leave-in solution. It not only protects hair lengths from environmental damage, but also keeps the hair nourished and soft for a long period of time. So this is the leave-in solution that I've been using. It's the Dove Hair Therapy Breakage Repair Leave-On Solution. Apply this while your hair is still damp. For easy application, divide the hair into sections and spray it onto each section. Then comb through the hair gently to distribute the product evenly throughout the hair. This sulfate-free leave-in solution protects the hair at cellular level, that too with Nutri-Lock Serum. What this tells me about the leave-in solution is that it is going to keep my hair soft, silky and shiny thanks to its moisture-retaining abilities. And once moisture is retained, hair breakage becomes an issue of the past. But you want to know the best part about this leave-in solution? You don't have to rinse it off. It stays as is. The last step in my post-hair wash routine is to ensure that my hair is 100% dry before I style it. Once I'm done styling it, I like to protect my hair with a light layer of hair serum. This is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum. This will not only tame the frizz and flyaways but also coat the surface of the hair to protect it from further damage. The keratin in it is going to coat your hair strands and offers protection from sun and environmental damage. It will also rebond and strengthen hair, making hair strands resilient to breakage. Plus, the camellia oil is a superb conditioning agent that will keep the strands soft and smooth. This double duty serum can also be used during the day when your hair feels extremely dry and frizzy. So guys, that was my weekly hair care routine. What does your weekly hair care routine look like? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, as usual, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!